Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been losing money in crypto or just want a smarter way to grow your portfolio, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the top crypto arbitrage strategies for 2025. These are proven methods to take advantage of market inefficiencies and turn a profit, no matter which way the market's swinging. We'll cover what arbitrage is, the best strategies to use right now, tools you'll need, and some real-world tips to avoid rookie mistakes. Stick around until the end. This could be a game changer for you. Let's jump in. So, first things first, what exactly is crypto arbitrage? It's the art of buying a cryptocurrency at a lower price on one platform and selling it at a higher price somewhere else, pocketing the difference. Crypto markets are wild. They run 24/7, and prices can differ between exchanges or even within the same platform. That's where the opportunity lies. In 2025, with more people trading and new coins popping up, arbitrage is hotter than ever. But it's not just about luck. You need a plan. Let's break down the top strategies. First up, cross-exchange arbitrage. This is the bread and butter of arbitrage trading. Imagine Bitcoins trading at $65,000 on Binance, but $65,300 on Coinbase. You buy 1 BTC on Binance, transfer it to Coinbase, sell it, and boom, you've made $300 minus fees. Sounds easy, right? Well, it can be, but timing is everything. Prices move fast, and transfer times between exchanges can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour. Plus, you've got to account for trading fees and withdrawal costs. To make this work, use price aggregators like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko to spot those gaps instantly. If you're serious, set up alerts on TradingView so you don't miss a beat. Next, let's talk about triangular arbitrage. This one's a bit more technical, but the rewards can be insane. Here's how it works. You stay on one exchange, say Binance, and trade between three assets. Start with $1,000 in USDT. You trade it for Ethereum, then swap Ethereum for Bitcoin, and finally convert Bitcoin back to USDT. If the exchange rates line up just right, and they often do because of tiny inefficiencies, you end up with, say, $1,020. That's a quick 2% gain in minutes. The trick is speed. Manual trading won't cut it here. You'll need a bot. Tools like 3 Commas, Crypto Hopper, or even custom scripts on Python can automate this for you. Just test it with small amounts first to get the hang of it. Now, here's one that's picking up steam in 2025, geographic arbitrage. Crypto prices aren't the same everywhere. Take South Korea. For example, coins like XRP or Ethereum sometimes trade at a 5 to 10% premium compared to US markets because of local demand. You could buy XRP on a platform like Bitstamp for 80 cents, send it to a Korean exchange like Upbit where it's 86 cents, and cash out. The catch? You'll need accounts on both exchanges, and you've got to navigate regulations. Some countries have strict crypto laws, so do your homework. Also, transfer fees and blockchain congestion can slow you down, so plan ahead. Another hot trend right now is stablecoin arbitrage. With stable coins like USDT, USDC, and newer ones like PYUSD flooding the market, there's money to be made. These are supposed to be pegged to $1, but they don't always stay there. If USDT drops to 99 cents on KuCoin, but holds at $1 on Kraken, you buy low, sell high, and repeat. The profits per trade are small. Think pennies. But if you're moving $10,000 or more, it adds up fast. This is low risk compared to volatile coins like Bitcoin, but you'll need volume to make it worth your while. Keep an eye on DeFi platforms too. They're ripe for stablecoin arbitrage in 2025. All right, let's get practical. How do you actually pull this off without losing your shirt? First, use the right tools. Arbitrage scanners like Arbismart, Cryptoic, or even free options like Coin Arbitrage Bot can save you hours of research. Second, calculate your cost up front. A $200 profit isn't worth it if fees eat up $180. Most exchanges charge 0.1% to 0.5% per trade, and blockchain fees, like Ethereum gas, can spike during busy times. Third, start small. Test every strategy with $50 or $100 before scaling up. And finally, Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your trades across different coins and exchanges to minimize risk. One last thing, arbitrage isn't a magic bullet. The crypto market's getting more efficient every year, and opportunities can dry up fast. That's why you got to stay sharp, keep learning, and adapt. In 2025, with AI trading bots and more retail investors jumping in, competition's fierce. But if you're quick and smart, there's still plenty of profit to be made. So, there you have it. The top crypto arbitrage strategies to stop losing money and start profiting in 2025. Cross-exchange, triangular, geographic, and stablecoin arbitrage. Pick one, master it, and watch your portfolio grow. Which strategy are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you found this valuable, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next crypto breakdown. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.